6 months into this, I had earned over $70,000. And now 8 months in, I'm that close to 100K earned. But let me remind you, I knew nothing on day one. I didn't even know what the plus sign was on TikTok, you guys. That's how bad it was. It was so bad. But this is how easy this is, okay? With the done for you system, 4 digital products that you don't have to create, but they're going to give to you in that website. And then you get this free community to guide you, support you, and mentor you daily. It's the golden ticket. This is something we offer, nobody else does. So if you're on the fence, please hear my story and know that you don't need to know anything, because we're going to show you. We're going to be there for you, and we are going to help you. Last but not least, from knowing nothing, zero about any of it, I have, in addition to those 4 streams of income, I have added 3 more streams of income.